Money! Let's save some of it. Let's go ahead and get a whole pork loin from your local wholesale grocer and break it down ourselves, cutting as many chops and roast as your heart desires. Starting with the end on my left is the sirloin end and is a bit leaner than the opposite end, which is going to have a little bit more fat content, also a little bit of that darker red meat. We're taking off the ends to just square away the whole pork loin. Now we're just going to cut ourselves some pork chops, and this is all depends on you. You can use this whole loin and cut nothing but pork chops. I'm starting off with some medium-sized thickness. This next one here I'm showing you is going to be about 1.5 inches thick. You can go 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick. Cutting from the fat side, I'm going to butterfly this, working my knife almost all the way down, but not cutting through it. This is a butterfly cut. Here's a nice butterfly pork chop. That right there in your local butcher is going to be about $8, $9 for one. About 2 thick pork chops will run you probably about the $7 to $9 mark. Continuing with some thin cut chops, I got 3 already on the board. That's a total of 5 pork chops. Plus I got a nice thick one going here, another medium-sized chop. Again, as many chops as thick as you'd like. What I have now is a center cut pork loin roast. That alone, you know, easily $15 at your local grocer. This one is not twined. You can feel free to twine it, make it look all pretty once it roasts in the oven. That right there is a $15 cut. Again, going in with some more pork chops. You can finish with all pork chops, leave another roast on the back end. I'm going to lastly take over those end pieces that I cut in the beginning. I'm going to trim them of some fat, and then we're going to cut them into cubes, and that's going to make some great carnitas, some chili, a stew. The world is your oyster. I mean, just go at it. There's no right or wrong. You know, as many roast chops as you'd like, and there you have it. An easy way to save tons of money. Butcher yourself, simple knife cuts, effing sharp.